watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Number 1. Hand, wrist, and forearm strengthener from DMoose Fitness. Don't worry about straining your muscles due to weak hands. This premium forearm roller increases blood circulation in your hands, wrist, and forearms. Forearm Trainer is used in training to increase hand grip and to make your workouts more intense. Get an easy-to-use wrist and forearm workout strengthener to increase pain endurance in hands and forearms. Wrist Exerciser Strengthener helps you in resistance training and increases your pain-bearing levels. Lift higher weights using a forearm blaster in your exercises. Using a wrist roller forearm exerciser reduces your chances of getting carpal tunnel. This fitness equipment works as a pain reliever and helps you cure wrist strains. This amazing forearm workout equipment also increases muscle strength, so future wrist injuries are prevented. It increases hand control and wrist mobility. It's a known fact that improving wrist and hand muscles allow you to carry heavier weights. This gives you a sense of satisfaction in your workouts. The grip strengthener enables you to do more intense workouts than your usual routine. You can now gain more with this one product in your gym. An interesting thing about this product is that it's not specific to one type of profession. The hand grip wrist workout roller strengthens your hands and benefits in performing even day-to-day activities, like opening a jar. It doesn't matter if you're a musician, golfer, or boxer, this product is for you. Number 2. Arm Toner from LOOKEE. Helps build arm strength, endurance, and control without weights. The first of its kind, it is a new way to work out without having to spend hours in the gym or lifting heavy weights. The equipment has 15 difficulty levels with 5 different fitness modes to accommodate a range of workouts levels. It works for every level from people looking to begin their journey to high-performance individuals. The device massages and relaxes your palms, wrists, and arm muscles, help relieve muscle fatigue after a workout. An effective way to increase blood flow, help prevent overstraining and injuries. A great choice for people looking to build and strengthen muscles without heavy weights. Number 3. Thigh Machine with Counter from SMOOCREEK. Sitting for hours every day in the car, at the office, and in front of the TV can turn your 3 glute muscles, glutes maximus, gluteus medius, and gluteus minimus, into a flabby desensitized mess of inactive mush. You can exercise anytime and anywhere. It's perfect for exercising while working in the office or exercising your thigh muscles while watching TV on the couch. Number 4. Roller for Abs Workout from Ruopah. The LCD intelligent display screen integrated with a roller wheel to support real-time workout data as time, count, and calories makes your exercise more reasonable and effective. This type is different from the traditional large hollow wheels. Using 3-wheel force design, 3 points of force dispersion, linear rolling does not deviate, stable does not roll, movement is safer. The wheel is made of durable non-slip rubber, wear-resistant, does not damage the floor, excellent mute effect. It's perfect for home exercise. Folding design allows movement to be present at all times, which are easily removed for storage and transportation, also ensure safe and comfortable workout experience. The unique process makes the main body of the roller's wheel without joints, forming the integrity of the main body, can carry all the weight of people's safe use. Number 5. Adjustable Weight Bench from Hitosport. This training bench is designed with heavy-duty quality steel and stable triangular structure. Durable and solid dumbbells bench handles up to 550 pounds, which provides stable support for a variety of workouts. 7-position weight bench. The back pads can be readjusted into different positions. You can do bench press, incline and decline dumbbell, sit up and push up. To work out your muscles in the chest, back, shoulder, abdomen, hip and arms. Ergonomic design. Covered with premium leather and padded with thickened cushion with high elasticity and great air permeability, the weight bench is wear-resisting and sweat-proof, perfect for long periods of training on your chest, shoulders, back, abs, and more. Number 6. Push-down bar machine from Gofitness. This push-down bar acts as your personal workout trainer, helping you build a bigger and stronger chest rapidly. More than just a chest muscle builder, it can also be used to target precise muscle groups to accelerate growth, enhance definition, and increase strength, including chest, arms, abs, shoulders, and back. Unlike resistance bands, you don't need doors, rafters, beams, or trees to attach to. Just pick up your push-down bar and get a targeted workout with a variety of different movements. Resistance ranges from 30 pounds to 110 pounds and is suitable for both men and women, beginners or veterans alike. Use for just 10 minutes a day for chest exercise, 3 to 4 days a week to build a chiseled chest. For men, it will help you pump up your pectorals and build a bigger, stronger chest. For women, it will help you train your pectorals and naturally lift your breasts. Built with 4 super tough steel springs. These high-grade springs can withstand even the most intense workout sessions. The springs are compressed, which is different from the power twister that required users to twist the springs. The design provides a better range of motion and eliminates any risk of rebound and breakage. For springs work together to make the resistance output more uniform and therefore stimulate muscles more efficiently. Number 7. Speed ladder training from Teenitor. Made from high-quality PP material and heavy-duty nylon straps, very durable for years of training. It is ideal for soccer and football training as well as athletics, hockey, and tennis. It is easy to store, easy to lay out, and easy to put away. Great for just about any sport. It is lightweight, and you can take it with you wherever you want. This agility ladder has 13 rungs, 23 feet. Overall length is 276 inch. Rung distance is about 15 inch. The rung distance is adjustable. You can adjust the black nylon strap to the desired space distance to meet your workout needs. Ideal for athletic training, football, soccer, basketball drills, hockey, lacrosse, tennis, badminton, rugby to increase acceleration, leg strength and speed, core skills, balance, rhythm, and body control physical education equipment usage. Number 8. Full body exercise equipment from VavoSpor. Perfect full body exercise equipment. By changing the connection ways between the hoist buckle and the high-strength alloy cable, you can get multiple functional exercise methods: biceps curl, triceps pull down, lat pull down, row, fly. 3 detachable handles. It is provided with 3 detachable handles, allowing you to freely change the gym attachment you want. Tricep rope, honeycomb type handles, and lat pull bar. The upgraded loading pin is made of thickened steel, fitted with a 5 cm widened detachable pipe sleeve to fit both Olympics and standard weight plates. Max weight loads up to 280 pounds. The bottom increased sponge to ensure your floor from damage. 360 degrees rotatable silent pulley. Ensure quiet and stable of the pulley system operation. Easy to assemble and portable. Just thread the loading pin through the central hole of a weight plate and connect the sections. The pulley system can be easily connected to the power racks, pull-up bars, beams, and any place where the strap can be installed.
If you like to buy any of these products, please check out the links of the purchasing in description below.
Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.